So today I decided to go to the shopping center, and of course I'm taking you guys along with me. So let's go. There we go. Just gonna take the stairs and then I will be there. Honestly, this is possible one of the biggest shopping center I've ever been at, so Alright, so I want to start from like the bottom floor and then just work my way up basically. So I think we're gonna go there now. So there are actually a couple things that I specifically came here for, and one of them is a certain reusable water bubble, but not really a water bubble, just like the kind of cup type of thing. So I'm gonna go now to Tiger, which is just there, and I'm gonna see if I can find one. So I love this one. She's just as a tray. It is supposed to be like a picture frame, but I think it will work so well. It's just £4 freaking pounds, and I'm not gonna pay £4 for these. Although it's cute, it's actually really cute. Oh my god. So this was kind of what I was looking for, but it's like £6. So I don't know how I feel about that, but it's cute. So I'm just about to get in one of my favorite shop ever, which is Hypo. Oh my god. Oh my god, I just found my perfect bag. Basically, I'm in the dressing room. I have many things to try, and I'm really obsessed with this. Like, it's better that I don't like this when I try it on, because otherwise it's gonna be bad because it's actually expensive. It's like £24, and I can't afford £24 for a sweater. It's crazy, but like, also this is so nice. So I'm gonna try them, and then I'll let you guys see how they look on me. What it look like. Gotta say, I actually like it. It's really premium quality, but I don't think I will get it. So this is an M, and it's actually oversized. Like, look at the sleeve. But I'm actually really obsessed with it. I think it matches my hair super well, and like even with this like outfit, I mean. Oh my god, that's the problem. I actually love this sweater. It's so big and so cozy. I feel like maybe I can ask if they have a NAS as well. So finger crossed I won't get copyright, but this is how the O to D will look like. Basically I just had a jacket on, and I love this. Oh my god, what do I do? What do I do? I love it, but it's £24. Come on. I don't think I can afford it. I don't think it's that smart for me to buy it, so I'm not gonna buy it, but I love the color. You guys know that I'm obsessed with like the stripes, and it's so beautiful. Let's work my heart again. Let's get in Pull&Bear. So I'm in Pull&Bear right now, and this is the sweater that I tried on, and low-key, I actually really like it. If you guys know me, you know that I have literally an obsession with this material, and I've been trying like to find a sweater just like this for ages, and this is so nice. And then once again, this is $20, so don't really feel like it. Also, Primark has one similar to this one just for $10, so probably I'll end up getting that one. This is so cute. Like, plant. I love the color. It's actually really cute. God. Oh, this is so hard. I love this sweater. I love the color. I love how it feels. What should I do? It's $20. I mean, I'm not gonna buy it now for sure, but like, I really love it. Also with this outfit, it totally goes, and I'm Whoa. Alright, so now I have totally another problem because I just found these and I'm obsessed with it. And it's 15 pounds, so what should I do, God? So this is how the dress looks like. So I'm in Primark right now and I do have an obsession with this bag. I think it's gorgeous and it's only 8 pounds, so it's really a bargain, but I don't want it in this color. I was looking for something like black, but they don't have in black, they have it in gray and I'm not sure if I like it in gray or not. So that's the story of my life. I actually really like this course, but it's like Harry Potter related and I should not like Harry Potter, so try these out. So I just got this drink, which I think is kind of like boba, and I'm really obsessed with it. It's also like kind of strawberry based whatsoever, and I love it. So good. So I think now I'm gonna go home. I didn't end up buying anything, but it's actually a good thing since I'm broke and I need a job so bad, which was actually one of the reasons why I wanted to go to the ML in the first place. You know, see like some posts about people that are like requiring jobs and stuff, so that's the one thing. I got boba for the first time from sort of shop called Babology or something like that, and I actually love it. It is like raspberry and something, and I was debating between buying this one or buying some bites from Missile Brazil, which I love. I actually ended up eating lots of bites for free. You know, when they do like tests and stuff, it was always around their shops, and so I'm actually fine. And now we're gonna go take the bus.